Why is nobody talking about how Igbo tradition forbids a titled man from stepping into a church? Onye Ozo title holder shouldn't be going to church except on ceremonial invitations, which doesn't contradict what he represents. Onye Ozo is a defender and custodian of Igbo culture and tradition and wields the ofo, a symbol of authority. Dropping the ofo to pick up Bible and removing your aka to wear chaplet on Sundays is an absolute joke. When you take a title, you become a representative of Ndị Mbo, Ndị Ichie, and all the ezumezu mmụọ niile that made up your community. Going to church is telling the people that what you are meant to represent is an absolute nonsense. It's you telling your people that Igbo ambassadorship begins and ends with dressing, traditional marriages, and other Igbo activities that are acceptable by the church. That is why if a community traditional council goes to church for Thanksgiving after an ofala or an eze giving a clergyman the floor to say an opening prayer at a traditional function, absurd. Let's not even talk about the eze removing his cap in the process. Imagine an Igbo man being knighted but doesn't go to church and constantly sing at every traditional activities. That's exactly what an Ozo Oka does. There is no correlation between Christianity and Omenan. If you decide to practice both, you will definitely suppress one along the line. Being an Ozo title holder has so many regulations. If you can't keep up with it, just take a Christian title like a knight or Ezinna or Ezinne. Tell me in the comment sections if you actually disagree with this. Are title holders meant to be going to church? Your opinion is needed.